Can you tell us what the personal services checklist is on our website and how it can be used to improve the safety of customers and businesses?
So as you can see, we've had 3 personal service settings that have potentially posed a risk of transmission of COVID-19 in our community. We've worked proactively with these personal service settings across our region to try to minimize the risk. So there is an audit tool on our website, a checklist that will go over the best practices in infection prevention and control. We're asking all of the personal service settings within KFL&A to ensure that they've seen it, that they've gone through the checklist, and to fax to KFL&A or email us that they have indeed gone through it. The vast majority of our personal service settings have been great partners for years here at KFL&A, and we don't want to have to close any of them. We want to ensure that they've seen the checklist, that they've adhered to it, and additionally, we think it'll give confidence to the businesses and to the consumers in our region that workers in those settings voluntarily, even though they may not have symptoms, get tested over the next several days. I think that'll help employers, it'll help provide confidence to clients that these workers have tested negative, and their businesses are compliant with the checklist. We will continue to work with these businesses to continue to visit and audit them and to provide support to them. And we would suggest workers in this environment, we've learned there is a risk of transmission of COVID-19, continue on an ongoing basis to get asymptomatic testing at our COVID testing sites, both at the Leon Center now and then at the LACGH Community Hospital on an ongoing basis. I think it'll provide comfort to be able to tell your client, yes, I test regularly, my tests are negative, and we're adhering to KFL&A's best practices in preventing infection in our environment.
Can you tell us if it includes all personal service settings or just nail salons?
We're suggesting all personal service settings. This is a lesson learned from reopening. We found out that there is a risk, and we want absolute confidence in our businesses, absolute confidence in our community that they can go to these service settings and they will be protected. So adherence to best practices will be documented and testing for COVID-19 will be done voluntarily by staff to ensure your clients feel comfortable and you as staff feel comfortable going to work, that there's no risk in these environments.